Hello guys, it's me, Davai. I'm from Russia, but I like how our timelines align in some kind in your deep night, where we talk in Discord and have nice conversations about P2P and so on. And I just like to share with you my setup with vite.js and with Gun and also with those fancy plugins for Vite that make this all happen really fast, really convenient. So we have some additions to make Gun workable in Vite. So I published this in docs and hope to improve it later as I understand the final configuration. And then there is very fun thing, windicss plugin that makes all this styling just with these utility classes that are generated on the fly when we finally build or dev our application. So as it's running with a very robust hot module replacement system, it happens instantly. The development experience is nice. So these are for PVA, I don't use it. Some aliases for different folders in the project, and so you can see store, use, model, components, and this corresponds to the structure. So we have the app view. I have always have view templates here in this tab and JS files here, so I can always align these two and find some insights to the code. So there is the main thing is store, where we have GunDB. GunDB, yes, it's configured. It's just exports all the useful stuff from Gun and has some utilities, and then we have account logics for Gun users, some basic things for just establishing user system, and also some locale just as a configuration for the app, and some useful things like regexp for just these kind of data. So we have Russian words. It's a game. It's a word game where you create some words. It's in Russian, but they don't exist. It's just imaginary words. It may be translated into English in any language, and I think this is very powerful tool to collaborate on some discourse, some definitions, what you're talking about in many cases, not only just fun imaginary words with funny imaginary definitions for them. So this is the main basic structure that then translates into the model, where we have all those these word. You can have just this kind of model where we have robust search, and you see this works really fast. So we have to add. So I just typed in some word. It's here. Internally, this is hashed content addressed nodes. So we have to prepare some data here on the Word.js, some filters for the data, and finally verify it. And finally we have this library, this small helper in store that is a list, so it gets this fancy hashed and tagged and user author encoded in the key. So it's based on certificates. It's C certificate, that really magical thing that makes it work. So we get certificates being inside the rooms that are just some pair of keys. So the thing is that this is not a global gun. This is just under some public key, and with certificates for writing into it for everyone, and there also may be endless rooms, you see. So you just can have a room with this same kind of stuff in here, but with very other words or any rules. So now I have hard-coded Russian rules, but it may be extended into international and intergalactical pieces of communication protocols. So here we have all the contributors, and their contributions will have counters, and so on. So it's just a thing started, and here we see a room inside the room. And it's cheap and expensive to make this kind of circular stuff, to make this room journey really funny. Also the route works. It works behind the hash, so the server doesn't receive these requests. It's only client side, and gun manages all that. So server is sleeping, not that one who gave the data. So this maybe scripts may be stored in IPFS or anything else. So that's it for now. Okay, and of course I liked it. Oh, this one. So I got these likes here. So, and this remark about the favorites, the likes. So if you have 10 likes on the front page, and any amount on the separate page, so you have these likes you want to expose. Maybe you don't want to expose something like this, and no matter what's the count of the room, how many is it liked by, the other numbers are more important. How many contributors, how many words, definitions, and links, which get double the price. So that's my philosophical view on that. And the app, you may try it already at app вот.ru. So just start and you go and test it. And I don't have any ban or delete function here till now. I'm working on it, so please don't try to break it, but you may find it funny to experience. So that's all for now. I'll keep you posted. Bye.